Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So, students, in our previous session, we have started with the first unit of our GK, that was the world around, that was the natural world. Okay, so in that topic, we have, as I have told you in the previous session, that was the first unit, and we have discussed about the various animals and the birds, okay, with unique features, why their name, why they certain names, such names are given to those animals. So all these things that we have already discussed in the previous topic. So we have discussed about the wonder birds, the various beautiful birds, okay, with unique features, with unique um, characteristics that are located, okay, their habitat, where they live, the environment they require for living, so suitable environment they require, okay. And other than that, we have discussed about the next topic, that was furry friends, okay. So in which we have we have talked about, or I have told you about the various animals, those are having fur, okay, why, where they are found, why those certain names are given to them, why they are known as with those names. So all these things we have discussed. So today again I'm going to start with another topic that you can see on the screen as well, which is given at page number 24, animals in danger. This is the third topic from our first unit, that is animals in danger. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, so this is given at page number 24. So class, I request, I just all of you kindly open your books at page number 24, that is animals in danger. Okay, so first of all, before continuing with the topic or before discussing about the topic, I would just like to ask, you just, all of you just think that what is the meaning of the topic? What is the meaning of the heading animals in danger? What is the exact meaning of it? So the exact meaning of this topic, the animals in danger, is there are certain species of animals that are being endangered these days. So these animals in danger. So what are these animals in danger? मतलब किसको हम बोलते हैं एनिमल्स इन डेंजर? तो देखिए, देर आर सर्टेन स्पीशीज ऑफ एनिमल्स दोज आर बीइंग endangered, और दोज आर सम ऑफ देम एक्सटिंक्ट एज वेल. तो बहुत सारे जैसे एनिमल के स्पीशीज़ हैं बेटा, जो कि आजकल ख़त्म हो चुके हैं, जो कि आजकल नहीं पाए जाते. जनरली दे आर नॉट अवेलेबल. मतलब अवेलेबल मीन्स दैट दे यू कांट सी देम. ओके, so देखिए, the here the animals are endangered species are categorized in two ways. Some are endangered, and the second one is extinct species. Okay, so extinct means like they are now none of the मतलब एक उस एनिमल द एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीशीज वो स्पीशीज होते हैं, दोज आर कम्प्लीटली नॉट in this world, then those they don't exist in the world anymore. तो वो अब वो दुनिया में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते मीन्स लाइक कि अब उनका कोई भी, कह लीजिए, कोई भी फैमिली मेम्बर उन एनिमल्स का जो कि है नहीं है. लाइक द एग्जाम्पल इज ऑफ द डायनासोर. Okay, you can't find dinosaurs because they are completely extinct species. Okay, तो एक्सटिंक्ट स्पीशीज होते हैं जो कि पूरी तरह से ख़त्म हो चुके होते हैं. ओके, अनदर थिंग इज, एंड द अनदर टर्म वाज द एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज. अनदर टर्म वाज एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज. सो व्हाट आर एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज? सो एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज बच्चे वो स्पीशीज होते हैं दोज जो कि ख़त्म होने की कागार पे हैं. Okay, if certain actions are not being taken at the right time, they are definitely going to be extinct. So that means they are not still extinct, खत्म नहीं हुए हैं, but अगर proper लिए गए, they are going to be extinct very soon. Okay, so these animals are known as the endangered species, or the animals which are going to be extinct very soon if the certain actions are not being taken. Okay, so here I was talking about the topic that was animals in danger. So animals in danger, in this we will talk about the various animals, those are um, going to be extinct. Okay, so first of all, that why they are getting endangered, the reason behind these endangered species, the species which are going, which are and going, which are endangered, जो कि खत्म हो रहे हैं, the reason behind it, that due to the illegal hunting, due to their hunting, poaching. ओके, सो दी जो कई लोग हैं, उन लोगों को शिकार करेंगे, आपने सुना होगा पुराने ज़माने में स्पेशली, पीपल दे लव हंटिंग, सो वो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स का शिकार करते थे। ठीक है, सो अगर कोई भी एक कैटेगरी ऑफ द एनिमल्स दे आर कीप ऑन हंटिंग, इफ यू कीप ऑन हंटिंग अ सर्टेन कैटेगरी ऑफ एनिमल्स, सो डेफिनेटली एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दे आर गोइंग टू बी एक्सटिंक्ट completely. Just like that, uh, illegal poaching means like hunting but illegally. Okay, like जैसे the tigers, they are at a one point of time, near about 6 to 7 years back, that tiger was one of the most endangered species. So पूरी दुनिया में near about only 700 or 800 tigers were left. Okay, then the फिर पूरी दुनिया में जो गवर्नमेंट थी, अलग अलग एनिमल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस थी, they came to know that अगर soon certain actions has not been taken or for saving these species, so they are going to be extinct very soon, and our next generation, they will not be able to see these animals. So then the government, the government of various countries, they have taken various steps. Okay, so they have made a very hard and fast rule that the hunting should be completely banned. Okay, they have banned the hunting and poaching. Okay, but still some people are there who मतलब जो जस्ट दे मतलब फॉर द अपनी खुशी के लिए, अपनी मतलब एक डिज़ायर के लिए, दे जस्ट कीप ऑन हंटिंग. सो दिस इज इलीगल हंटिंग, इज नोन एज पोचिंग. Okay, so let's in this topic we will discuss about the various animals that are going to be extinct very soon if the certain actions are not being taken, and why these species are going to be are included in the endangered species, that we will also discuss. Clear? Starting with the first. Okay, so first of all, read out the heading. Many animals species are rapidly disappearing from the earth. These animals are called endangered animals. Read about some endangered animals here and find out why they are disappearing. Okay, so let's begin with the first, that is pangolins. Now, what are pangolins? Okay, so देखिए बहुत सारे species है that I have already explained that they are going extinct. Okay, so the first animal that we are talking about, that is pangolins. Pangolins, also called scaly anteaters, curl into a ball when threatened. Some pangolins, such as an African black-backed pangolins, live entirely in trees. Other lives on land. All pangolin species are hunted for their meat. Their skin and scales are used in the traditional medicines. As a result, pangolins have become highly endangered. Okay, so देखिए pangolins, they are ant eaters. Okay, they have scale. Okay, so as you can see, okay, I'll just show you the picture of the pangolins. Just give me a point. I'll just show you the picture. This is the clear picture of pangolins that I have collected from the internet for you. Okay, so this is pangolin. Okay, this is a pangolin. Okay, and as you can see, okay, so now while explaining the topic, I've kindly open your books along with that, because I'm going to dictate the topic, okay, while showing you the picture so that you can understand it properly. So these are pangolins. So the picture you can see here, this is a pangolin. Okay, and they don't have any hairs on their body. As you can see कि इनकी body के ऊपर किसी भी तरह की hairs नहीं है, बाल नहीं है. Okay, rarest of the animals, they don't have fur or hair on their body, and the pangolins is one of them. Okay, and they have scales. So as you can see here, they have certain scales on their body ओके एंड दे ईट ants. तो ये ants जो जो चींटियाँ होते हैं, चींटे होते हैं, उनको खाते हैं. सो दे आर हैविंग स्केल्स एंड दे ईट ants. So they are known as scaly ant eaters. Okay, and when they feel that they are in danger or they are going to be attacked by any foreign invader or any other powerful animal or any matlab, if they feel that they are in danger, so what to prevent themselves or to protect themselves, what they do, they just curl their body into a ball. ओके तो दे जस्ट कर्ल देयर इनटू बॉडी इनटू अ बॉल शेप. तो अपने बॉडी को कर्ल करके एकदम से मोड़ के कर्ल शेप कर लेते हैं, मतलब गोल बॉल की तरह शेप कर लेते हैं. एंड द स्केल्स दैट दे आर हैविंग ऑन देयर बॉडी, दे जस्ट राइज अप. तो वो राइज अप होता है कि दैट जब वो स्केल्स, जो तीखे स्केल्स होते हैं, जब वो जो बॉल की शेप में आते हैं, जो स्केल्स हैं उनके सीधे खड़े हो जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से नन ऑफ द एनिमल और द ह्यूमन बीइंग दे आर नॉट एबल टू टच इट, because if they are going to touch it, definitely they are going to harm themselves only. So that's why this is the defense mechanism of the pangolins, that how they protect themselves. Okay, other than that, some pangolins such as African black-bellied pangolins live entirely on trees. Okay, there are certain kinds of pangolins. Okay, and the African pangolins, they live entirely on trees. Okay, so the African pangolins, they completely, they are black bellied, so they little bit look black, they have black bellies, and they live entirely on trees. वो पूरी तरह से trees के ऊपर ही रहते हैं. Others live on lands. Other than African pangolins, जो अफ्रीका में pangolins पाए जाते हैं, they live on trees. But some pangolin species that are found in the other different parts of the different countries, they live on land as well. Okay, all pangolin species are hunted for their meat. Their skin and scales are used in traditional medicines. So why they are being endangered? Because these pangolins, these are being hunted for their meat. Okay, so in the different countries, the people from the different region, they eat different kinds of meat. Okay, so the corona is one of the causes of eating such a मीट. ओके, सो पैंगोलिन्स का कई लोग हैं जो मीट भी खाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से इसको मारा जाता है ताकि वो इसका मीट खा सके. इसके अलावा द स्केल्स और जो इनकी स्किन होती है, द स्किन एंड द स्केल्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट दैट ऑफ द पैंगोलिन्स, दे आर ऑल्सो यूज फॉर मेकिंग द ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन्स. ओके, तो ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन्स बनाने के लिए भी द स्केल्स एंड द स्किन ऑफ दिस पैंगोलिन्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड. ओके, as a result, pangolins have become highly endangered. So because they are being killed for their scales, for their skin, for their meat, so that's why they are considered under the category of one of the most endangered species in the world. Okay, though the government should take the is being taking certain actions so that they can prevent these certain endangered species of pangolins. Clear? Chaliye, now moving next to the second one, there it is, that is snow leopards. Okay, nobody is going to say it as a leopard, it is leopard. Okay, snow leopards are found in the Indian subcontinent and in the mountain of Central Asia. They have been listed as an endangered species since 1986. They are often killed by the hunters whose livestock has been hunted by the snow leopards, and the bones and hides of snow leopards are also sought after by the poachers. Okay, so देखिए the leopards, you know the leopards. Okay, they are belong to the one of the they are the members of the one of the big cat families. Okay, and snow leopards, these are found in the Indian subcontinent, the mountains of the Central Asia. So their name itself is signifying that these snow leopards, these are being found in the snow. Okay, they live in snow. Clear? Okay, so snow leopards, they live in snow. They are commonly found in the snowy region, especially in the Indian subcontinents and the mountains of Central Asia. They have been listed as an endangered species since 1986. तो इन स्नो लेपर्ड्स को endangered species की लिस्ट में 1986 से ही डाला गया है. They are often killed by the hunters whose livestock has been hunted by snow leopards, and the bones and hides of the snow leopards are also sought after by the poachers. Okay, so they are listed as the endangered species since 1986, and they are being killed by the hunters. तो इनको जो hunters हैं, they used to kill this snow leopards for their skin, for their bones. Okay, so that means this is one of the source of income, their bones, by selling their bones, their skin. Okay, so hunters and the poachers, they earn money. Okay, matlab this is just a livestock, so they earn their livestock through the by selling the bones and the skin of these leopards. Okay, and due to this, as this is जो उनकी skin है, bones है, वो sale करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से they always keep on killing more number of snow leopards, and that's why their number is decreasing day by day, and now it is being listed as one of the endangered species in the world. Okay, and they are being endangered since the year 1986. Okay, and they live in snow. I'll just show you the picture of a snow leopard as well. This is this picture of a snow leopard. Okay, so you can see here that other leopards, they look little bit yellowish color, and these snow leopards, they live in snow, so that's why they look like a snow, or they are having the complete white color. So this is the picture of a snow leopards. Okay, and they are basically found in the snowy region, like in the central mountains of Central Asia and the subcontinent of India. So these are snow leopards. Okay, chaliye. Moving next to the third one that is given in the book. Okay, so this is here, that is leatherback sea turtle. So now we'll talk about the leatherback sea turtles. So what are these leatherback sea turtles? Okay, so leatherback sea turtles are named so because they have leather like shells. They are the world's largest sea turtle species. They are very important for marine life as they eat species of jellyfish and keep their number in check. Increased egg collection and the capture have led to a steady decline in their number, making leatherback turtles critically endangered now. So now we are talking about the leatherback sea turtle. So what are leatherback sea turtles? So as you can um, know, or as you can observe with their name, so why they are known as the leatherback sea turtles? उनको leatherback sea turtles बोला क्यों जाता है? Because the shell they are having on their back that looks like a leather substance, that's why they are known as the leatherback sea turtle. Okay, so I'll just show you the picture of a leatherback sea turtle, and then I'm going to explain all the content that is given here. Just give me a second, I'll just show you the picture here. So this is the picture. This is the picture of leatherback sea turtles. Okay, class. So you can see here. So this is leatherback sea turtle. Okay, and you know these are the largest sea turtles. These are the largest sea turtle. तो सबसे बड़े जो सी के टर्टल्स होते हैं, दे आर दीज leatherback sea turtles. Okay, and the shell, as you can see here, the shell they are having on their body, okay, that's look like, or that is like a leathery substance, so that's why the name is given leatherback sea turtle. Okay, so why they are being endangered, now we will move to the topic that why they are being known as one of the endangered species. So let's move back to the topic. So leatherback sea turtle are named so because they have leather-like shells. They are the world's largest sea turtle species. They are very important for the marine life. Okay. So as I have already explained, they are the largest sea turtle species. They are very important for marine life as they eat species of jellyfish and keep their number in check. You know, the jellyfishes, they spread so fast. मतलब जो jellyfishes के jellyfish उसके स्पीशीज़ हैं जो बहुत जल्दी, बहुत ही जल्दी जल्दी नंबर ऑफ वो बढ़ते हैं. सो देखिए, कोई भी चीज़, एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल, यू नो, एक्सेस एंड, ठीक है. सो अगर जेली फिशेज ज़्यादा हो जाएंगी तो जिसकी वजह मैरी सी में, so that's why they will become just like a garbage for the marine life. So what these leatherback sea turtles, they eat these jellyfishes. Okay, so they always eat these jellyfish. Okay, so that's why this is how they keep the number of jellyfishes in check. So जिसकी वजह से जो jellyfishes की जो number है that will be in check. Okay, so check means मतलब control में रहेगा. Another is increased egg collection. The capture have led to a steady decline in their number, making leatherback turtles critically endangered now. Okay, so now we are talking about the why they are being endangered. So the reason behind their being endangered is because the number of collection of these species of these लेदर मतलब इनको जो लेदरबैक सी टर्टल्स है कई लोगों ने इनको पालना शुरू कर दिया है. ओके, जिसकी वजह से दे आर नॉट बी एबल टू लिव इन दिस इन देयर प्रॉपर एनवायरमेंट सी, जिसकी वजह से दे आर नॉट एबल टू ले एग्स. ओके, एंड जो लोग हैं जिनके एग्स जहाँ यू नो द टर्टल्स दे कम ऑन द लैंड to lay their eggs, and the people they collect these eggs. Okay, and for their for मतलब अपने लिए मतलब फॉर नॉट फॉर ईटिंग लाइक मतलब दे वॉन्ट टू कीप दीज लेदरबैक सीटर एज देयर पेट. ओके, जिसकी वजह से द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दैट्स वाई ड्यू टू देयर इंक्रीज इन कैप्टिविटी एंड ड्यू टू the number the collection of their eggs has been increased by the persons, by the human beings. So that's why the number has been decreased day by day. And now the situation is this, that they are now be listed as one of the critically endangered species, though they are the largest um, turtles in the world, but still they are being listed as one of the critically endangered species in the world. Now moving next to the fourth one, that is saula. Saula is also, okay, here you can see the picture of the Saula as well. Saula is also known as the Asian unicorn and is sighted rarely in the Annamite ranges of the Winterman and the Laos. It was discovered only in the 1992. They resemble cows as well as antelopes. They are recognized by the two long parallel horns with the sharp ends. No Saula exists in captivity and it has been recorded in the nature only 4 times. It is critically endangered due to the destructions of its forest homes and also because of hunting. So this saula, this is another very beautiful uh, um, animal. Okay, and you know the people we came to know about this animal saula recently in the year 1992. Before 1992, no one was aware about this very beautiful one of the species of animals. Okay, they belong to the and family of antelopes as well as the cow. So ये जो this saula, okay, they were discovered in the year 1992. Okay, before that okay, and this saula, these saula, they are also known as the Asian unicorns. इनको Asian unicorn भी कहा जाता है. Okay, so I'll just show you the picture of this saula. Just give me a second. So you can see the picture of Saula. This is Saula. Okay, so देखिए, they little bit they look like cow, little bit they look like the antelopes or the deer. Okay, so the why they are different from the cows or the antelopes, and the difference is that they have very, as you can see, they have two parallel horns. इनके दो लंबे लंबे horns हैं and they have sharp ends. Okay, उनके बहुत ही तीखे नोकीले ends भी हैं. So these are Saula. Okay, and they are also these saula, they are also known as the Asian unicorn. इनको Asian unicorn भी बोला जाता है. Okay, so they look like the cow, little bit like the antelopes. Okay, so they belong to the family of those two. चलिए, now moving next to the topic. So this saula, they are known as Asian unicorn, and they has been discovered only in the year 1992, and they resemble to the cows as well as the antelopes. Next is they have two long sharp ends horns. Okay, and you know the rarest thing about this is that we can't कीप साउला इन कैप्टिविटी. मतलब आप इसको बंद करके अपने पास पाल नहीं सकते, बिकॉज इफ़ यू ट्राई टू कैच दैम और लाइक द काउ, जैसे हम काउ को और बफलो को पालते हैं, सो इफ़ यू कीप दैम इन द कैप्टिविटी दे विल डाई, दे कांट सर्वाइव इन द कैप्टिविटी. इनको बंद करके पाल के नहीं रखा जाता, ये हमेशा खुले एनवायरनमेंट में रहना पसंद करते हैं. एंड दैट वाई दे आर बीइंग लिस्टेड एज द एंडेंजर्ड, बिकॉज दे live in open environment, like in they live in the forest, and you know the number of forests are decreasing day by day, the area of forest is decreasing day by day. So that's why their home are being destructed. The reason behind this is that due to destruction of their forest home, these animals, these saula, they are going to be extinct very soon if certain actions has not been taken on time. Okay, so these are Saula and they are known as Asian unicorns, and they can't live in captivity, so they need proper forest environment, forest home to live. Otherwise, they are not going to be survive very long. Okay, so these are Saula. Clear? So this is one of the four animals that we discussed. The first was pangolin, second was leopard, third was leatherback sea turtle, and the fourth one was Saula. Chaliye, moving next to the fifth one. The next is the red panda. Okay, so another endangered species we are going to discuss is that is red panda. So what are these red pandas? So red pandas with the length of 2 feet, only 2 feet, are only slightly larger than the domestic cats and have bear-like bodies with thick red fur. They mostly live in trees, and more than half of them are found in the eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild. The loss of trees and the bamboo in the forest are the cause of the red pandas population. Okay, so देखिए just like Saola, these red pandas they are also extincting due to destruction of their homes. Okay, because these red pandas they live in bamboos and on trees only. Okay, and they are being their houses are being destructed. Okay, so that's why the reason is they are their number is getting decreased day by day because they don't have houses to live. Okay, so now this is red panda. So red panda, why it is known as red panda? The reason behind it because of its color. Okay, so I'll just show you the picture of the red panda as well. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is red panda. Okay, so they look, okay, as you can see, little bit they look like a cat. Okay, somehow they look like a bear as well. Okay, so their height or their length is जो domestic cats होती हैं, so उनसे near about they look like same. Okay, and they are only 2 feet. Okay, though they are they look like bear somehow, so they are these red pandas, they are the mixture of cats as well as of the bear. So these are red pandas. Because of its color they are known as red panda. Okay, and they're quite very cute as you can see in the picture as well. Okay, so now why they are being endangered? So that I have already explained. The reason behind their extinction or they are listed as the endangered species is because the loss of their homes. Okay, so these red pandas they live in trees and bamboos, and both of them are getting destructed day by day by the humans only. Okay, so another thing is they mostly live in trees, and more than half of them are found in eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild. Okay, अब इनकी गिनती 10,000 से भी कम रह गई है पूरी दुनिया में. Okay, because the loss of trees and bamboos in the forest has caused a huge decline in the red pandas population. तो जो number of trees and bamboos जो कि forest में ख़त्म होते जा रहे हैं, this is why the number of red pandas are also decreasing. So these are red pandas. Okay, so the reason behind their extinction is also their destruction of their homes, that is trees and bamboo. Moving next to the last, that is giant armadillos. Now the neck and the backs of giant armadillos are covered with a flexible armor consist of 14 to 17 movable bands of horn and bone. Their heads are protected by a similar oval shield. They can grow to 1.5 meter in length. They feed on termites and small mammals such as mice and rats. They are endangered because of the poaching and the loss of habitat due to human settlement and the agriculture development. Almost 50% of their population has been lost in the last 10 years. So now we are talking about another very one of the endangered species, that is giant armadillos. Okay, so the let's see the picture of the giant armadillos as well. So this is giant armadillos. Okay, and they live on land only. Okay, and they have, as you can see here, so they have a huge uh, like a shield on their body. Okay, so this is just like armor which they use to protect. Armor means the shield that they use to protect their body. Okay, so they have flexible armor. Okay, and these armor they are having, as you can see here, this armor, this shield that it is having on its body, it protects it from um, It is made up of horns and bones which protect it from its this is which is termed as their defense mechanism. Okay, so here, okay, so why they are being listed as one of the endangered species, just like these other pandas and the saola, they are also endangered because of the destruction of their homes, because they live on land, and the people, due to the human settlement, the land and due to the sorry people human settlement and the agricultural development, the land is decreasing day by day. Okay, so that's why they are not able to get the proper homes for themselves, and this is the reason why they are being endangered, listed as one of the endangered species. And almost 50% of their population has lost in the last 10 years. So पिछले 10 साल में the 50% of their population has been lost. Okay, so देखिए, most the reason behind most of the endangered species of the animals is due to their destructions of their homes, because due to the habitat. Okay, so that's why they are listed as one of the endangered species. Okay, so this was the topic, that was the animals in danger that we have discussed. Okay, so the quick quiz that we are going to discuss in the next session. Okay, so class, with this I'm just going to end the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.